Welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of watching your hair fall out every single day? Hair on your pillow, in the shower, and stuck in your brush? The real reason behind hair fall isn't just stress or weather, it's a lack of the right nutrition and scalp care. But today, I'm going to reveal a 100% natural oil mix that fights hair fall from the root, nourishes your scalp, and promotes fast hair regrowth, all with ingredients you never knew were this powerful. Let's talk facts. Most hair fall solutions fail because they only treat the surface. But your scalp needs deep nourishment to strengthen the follicles and reactivate weak hair roots. That's where this DIY oil mix works wonders. Ingredients that actually work, backed by science. Pumpkin seed oil, one of the most underrated oils for hair health. Clinical studies show it blocks DHT, a hormone responsible for shrinking hair follicles and causing hair fall. It strengthens hair from the root and improves scalp health. Walnut oil, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, it deeply nourishes your scalp, prevents hair thinning, and strengthens the hair shaft, making your hair resilient to breakage. Almond oil, a powerhouse of vitamin E, it repairs damaged hair, improves elasticity, and reduces split ends. Your hair looks healthier, shinier, and feels softer. Castor oil, known for boosting hair thickness and promoting regrowth, castor oil penetrates deeply into hair roots, strengthens follicles, and adds natural volume to your hair. Rosemary Essential Oil, the star ingredient for hair regrowth, scientifically proven to stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, activate hair follicles, and speed up hair growth naturally. How to prepare this game-changer DIY oil? Take 2 tablespoons pumpkin seed oil. Add 2 tablespoons walnut oil. Mix in 2 tablespoons almond oil. Add 1 tablespoon castor oil. Finally, add 10 drops rosemary essential oil. Mix them well and store the oil in a clean bottle. How to use for maximum results. Gently warm the oil, optional but boosts absorption, massage onto your scalp for 5 minutes. Focus on weak or bald spots. Leave it overnight or at least 2 hours before washing. Repeat 3 times a week for visible results. Within just 2 weeks, you'll notice less hair fall, stronger, thicker hair, visible new hair growth. If you're serious about stopping hair fall naturally and want fast, visible results, this oil mix is your solution. No chemicals, no side effects, just pure, natural ingredients your scalp will love. Try it and let your hair speak for itself. Your best hair days are just a few drops away. Thank you for watching.